How to lock profile pic on Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook application on your phone. You are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile at the top. Once you're here, tap on the three dots beside the Edit Profile option. Now, select Lock Profile. Tap on Lock Your Profile again to confirm. This makes your photos and posts more private. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. As you can see, you have now successfully locked your profile. Following these steps, you can easily lock profile pic on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.